Dan conveniently forgot to get cat food, so that could be what causes us to miss our $100 goal, because Cheyenne's a spoiled girl. She gets dry food, she gets wet food, and she gets a treat. So it's no wonder that she's a little chunky. Dan insists it's because she's just getting older. This is one of my favorite things from the Target Stony Clover collab. I love this little reusable bag, and it folds up into such a nice small little pouch. So for now, we've got my water bottle, which it's a circle. I'm out of the guava flavor actually, so it's just making sure there's no water falling out. And then I have my container from my little snack that I had. So generally, if you use it quick enough, you can have 6 bottles of water out of one of these little packs that go in your circle. But wouldn't that be great if that tastes like the Starbucks one? You can't just leave it for like a week. You have to be on it with your water drinking game. Otherwise, if you open it on Monday and then you try to drink it again on Saturday, it won't give you that 6 bottles. It evaporates. She likes the one in gravy, which to me sounds disgusting. And normally this would not be on my shopping list either, but I'm organizing something in my classroom and I'm out of PTO money and I'm tired of looking at it and I want to get it done. Between that and the cat food, that could blow our $100 budget right there. And we need some toilet paper. We never buy the jumbo size because we still haven't done anything with the actual linen closet. It's just like a storage for our cleaning cart. But I saw these, so if you ever see these yellow labels in Walmart, that means that there was something wrong with the product and they fixed it and they're just selling it for cheaper. So in this case, the package was open. Like, hello. Almost $3 off your toilet paper because they had to tape up the package. So prior to leaving Walmart, I was in the mindset that I was going to go to yoga class tonight. It's a 6:45 flow. Usually on Sunday nights, they have one night class and everything else is just in the morning. And I like to go to that. But I didn't realize it was raining. These are my favorite ice cream treat as a kid. And I'm going to have one of these and maybe also make a snow cone. So we won't go to yoga today. Oh well. This shirt is hanging up on the lamp to dry. But I think it's so funny that they used to sell these in vending machines at school. Now, they were turned off during school hours at least, but the minute that 3:43 hit, they were on. And I would get one all the time before I had sports practice. You also probably noticed that I really didn't buy a lot for like actual food. Most of like my snacks and such, I'm in the middle of eating. I have about a 7-day supply on most of my snacks that I've portioned out purely for convenience sake, not like calorie counting or anything. And my main meal that I really like to eat for dinner is I eat a crispy chicken wrap, which is basically just chicken strips, lettuce, and some sort of mayo in a wrap. I'm gonna have pot stickers right now for dinner. I eat a lot of frozen foods, not gonna lie. Isn't that wall disgusting? I mean, the whole wallpaper situation. These Sistema little containers are my favorite for just like holding things. I mean, obviously I use it for my snacks. I also like to put my cereal in it too. Yum, yum, yum. I also forgot, it's 7 o'clock at night and I'm drinking an iced coffee. Forgot to show you guys making that. Not a big deal. It's just an espresso pod and then this, I'm looking for the chocolate chip cookie dough. If you've seen it in a store, let me know because I want to try it. Almost 9 o'clock, but let's make a snow cone. Happy Monday, starting the day off with a turtle mocha and a blueberry bagel, and I bought my mom a coffee too. So let's see if we'll make the $100. Honestly, Monday through Friday, I don't spend a lot. It's the weekends that get me. Hello friends, 7 o'clock Monday. I'm already kind of in my pajamas. Voila. I had dinner at my parents' house. They're very much a meat, potatoes, vegetable kind of couple now that I'm not around. And that's not really my vibe. We're gonna make a crunchy chicken wrap because I really didn't eat all that much there because I'd rather have a corn dog or a chicken strip than pork roast any day. And if anyone was wondering, I put in the mango dragon fruit in my Circle water bottle today. And if you're wondering, the keychain's on there because then when I leave it at the desk at Walmart, a lot of us have the same water bottle. So the obnoxious unicorn keychain is obviously mine. It's very good. Obviously not the exact same as the Starbucks refresher, but still like very good. Definitely in my top 5 favorites in no particular order of the various circle flavors. Definitely will be repurchasing. Lettuce, cheese, buffalo ranch, and 2 tenders. The perfect little snacky snack. Hello friends, happy Tuesday. It is almost 5 o'clock. I'm finishing up writing my ISP before I go home, and I realized that as I'm eating my Lucky Charm snack that I didn't show you anything that I was eating today. But the good thing is I really didn't spend any money besides what I spend normally on school lunch. So school lunch today was taco roll up, which is delicious. It's basically taco meat in a shell, nice and crispy, and then there's salsa and sour cream that you can put on it. Delicious. And then breakfast today, I had cheese cubes and a coffee that I made myself. No big deal. Dinner, I'm going to guess I'm having a chicken wrap, but I guess we'll see in like an hour. It's kind of what I'm craving. And here we have dinner again. Another chicken wrap and a sparkling ice. One of my favorites. It's an easy meal and one that I really like. Happy Saturday, friends. I'm not gonna lie, I have not done a lot of videoing for this video because on Tuesday, after volleyball practice, I was just playing around with my jump serve while I was waiting for a kid to get picked up. And well, I'm 30 years old. Perhaps a jump serve is not something I should be doing anymore. And I've had back pain ever since. So it's Saturday and it's a little bit after 8. I would usually be at yoga right now, but my back hurts and I don't want to make it worse by going to yoga. And it's a TJ Maxx member morning. So I figured, well, I'll just skip yoga for the week. I haven't skipped a Saturday yoga session since probably we were traveling around the winter holidays. But I hate skipping my Saturday sessions because that's what like makes me feel like I'm getting the value out of my yoga membership, because I pay like a little under $100 every month for unlimited. If you go to 13 classes in the month of May, they're calling it their boot camp. You're entered in for a drawing for a free subscription to the yoga studio. And then they usually give you like a free t-shirt or something for everyone who meets that. And usually the Saturday classes help me get that, no problem. So I'll have to put in some extra work, which is okay because, you know, it's the last month of school. What did I spend today already? Well, technically I was at Starbucks, so I got my iced white chocolate mocha, which really hasn't been hitting anymore. If you've been with this channel a while, you know, I used to go to Starbucks all of the time because I was absolutely obsessed. And I'm not really obsessed anymore, which is just kind of sad. I also got some egg bites. But I was using money that I have on a gift card that's loaded on my Starbucks app. So really, I didn't spend any money. So that's what I'm going with. Haven't spent any money today. But this week, we have spent money. Yesterday, after volleyball, we had a tournament. We had 4 games. We didn't get done until like 8 o'clock. So I stopped by McDonald's and get myself a fish sandwich. And I got a Coke. But otherwise, it's been a good week for not spending money. But I'm here in the TJ Maxx parking lot to go in and maybe get some stuff. I do have a $20 reward credit on my account, so that'll be nice, and I won't count that as spending because it's free money. Depending on like how long I'm there, how good I think the odds are that I'll win a gift card, because every half hour they do a drawing for, I think it's a $10 gift card, and I like free money. And I can wander around a store for 3 hours, no problem, if I know I might win something. But if I do it at TJ Maxx, like I'll go next door to Home Goods and see if I can win something there or get a good gift. I don't know what the gift is yet. I'm hoping it's something good that I can use. I think last member morning, it was a little lunch bag, and I love a good lunch bag. And then we do need to go to Target. And I haven't been to Target in a long, long time. There's been nothing there that's caught my eye that I really needed. But there are a couple things we have to get. Even after I started filming this video on Sunday, the cat food I thought would put me over, like I think today will put me over, which is fine. Like it's not like I will not be able to survive if I go over $100. It's just $8,000. So we're trying to watch our purchases as I'm drinking my coffee. As you can see, it's really raining. I changed my mind. I'm not gonna go to Target. I did go to TJ Maxx and I did go to Home Goods. I'll show you that stuff when I get home. We are stopping at Ross because I can always get a close park, but it's always empty this early in the morning, which I don't understand because honestly, Ross has better deals than TJ Maxx. Yes, sorry, I said it. Okay, friends, we are home and I finally got a memory card for my camera, but I think this might be a little crooked, so please ignore that. Technical difficulties because I haven't used this camera in a long, long time. I haven't had a memory card and I've been using a lot of footage on my phone and I need to stop that. And now the battery is blinking even though I just charged this yesterday. Why? I went and did a little reading while I was waiting for this to charge up. If you're interested in doing Books I Read This Month series,
leave a comment down below or a little book emoji, because I have Kindle Unlimited, so I read a lot of books, and some of them are really good and some of them are really bad. So if you're interested in finding some new books, let me know. But let us continue on. Obviously, I put some pajama pants on. TJ Maxx. At TJ Maxx, I spent a grand total of $13.42. I have loved the mermaid flavor of the skinny syrup, and TJ Maxx and HomeGoods basically don't have skinny syrups anymore, and I'm assuming that's because it is very, very popular right now. So this and the Mateos brand are very similar and just basic knockoffs of the skinny syrup. Mermaid is delicious. It's good in lemonades, it's good in water, and it's good in snow cones. And then I also got this little candle. I didn't necessarily care for the smell, but I want the container. So the candle was $7.99. The syrup is $4.99. I'm looking for something cute to put on my bedside table, to put all my random little hair ties and hair clips in for when I'm laying in bed reading a book and I realized I forgot to take something out, because then I set it on the bedside table and my cat comes up and knocks it off onto the floor. So I thought this was so cute. It's kind of a pink holographic. It's not my favorite scent, so I will happily use this up so that I can have just the container. The TJ Maxx member morning prize is these two little tote bags. So I went to TJ Maxx first and then I went to HomeGoods. I didn't stay as long as I have stayed in the past, and then I went over to HomeGoods too, just really quickly to look around. At HomeGoods, I picked up the Torani Grenadine. I love kitty cocktails, and the syrup like this isn't as sticky as the actual grenadine that you can buy in the stores, and I'm using it in basically just 7-Up, so I don't care if it's actual grenadine tasting as long as I'm getting a little bit of that cherry flavor. So this was $7.49. The Torani is always more expensive, but I appreciate that Torani is full sugar. I prefer actual sugar over fake sugar. I also got some wrapping paper, and I just didn't want to bring it out of the car, so yes, beautiful tube of wrapping paper. And if anyone's wondering, these seat covers are Walmart. Every time I show them in a video, people ask because they are just like a beautiful rhinestone. If it's still available on Walmart's website, I will link it because they are beautiful. And it's like a, I don't know, fake leather-ish material. There's a bulletin board in my classroom right next to my desk that I want to change up. And I think I will be filming that this coming school week too. So look out for that video. And then I did use my $20 rewards on this beautiful bag. It was $19.99. It's basically a beach bag. That's, you know, the big old handles. I love a good big tote bag, and I guess you could say by my other tote bags that I got for free. I am absolutely the person that walks into school with a backpack and like 3 bags on my arm. I leave tote bags in my car all over the place because you never know when they come in handy. And I do prefer using a tote bag over a plastic bag any day. However, I do appreciate that as a special education teacher, having a plethora of plastic bags makes it really easy to make a quick dumpster run, if you know what I'm talking about. Then I went across the street to Ross. So technically my total at HomeGoods was $32.79, but I used 2 rewards, so I really only spent $12.79 at HomeGoods. And then I went across the street to Ross and I spent $23.18. I love high chews. This was not a necessary purchase by any means, but I love high chews and I love these flavors. And then I found these 2 little tops. This one's more of like a yoga top. Obviously you need to wear a sports bra underneath it, but it's the Free People Movement brand, so it's like meant for yoga. And I love this like chocolatey brown, but it's almost like a soft velvet material. Love this, $7.99. And then I love neon. And then I saw this nice, beautiful neon orange Free People tank top for, again, $7.99. Most of the Free People stuff there is $7.99. So actually, like, the Free People stuff would be cheaper than like the Ross's like own brand, which is just strange because Free People is worth much more than some random brand that's exclusive to Ross. But I digress. I was extremely happy. And as someone who has a lot of clothing, I just look for colors and patterns of things that I like. So I'm always in the athletic section and I'm always in the cardigan section because I love a teacher cardigan and I love athletic clothing. As I said, I didn't go to Target because it was raining and you always have to park so far away and my back hurts, so I didn't want to be carrying a lot of bags. I could go to the store right now, to one of the actual grocery stores, but there's nothing super critical that I can't wait until tomorrow. I haven't yet decided if I'm going to end this video being like a Sunday to Saturday thing every single week, or try to do Sunday to Sunday and then just pick it up and do a Monday to Monday. I don't know. I'm gonna go edit the video as far as I have this clip and see.
Hi friends. So I have decided that I am going to do the video basically starting on Sunday and then ending on Saturday, because as I said earlier, the weekends are when I am making the bulk of my purchases, and that way tomorrow after I'm done shopping, I can show you like how I portion out my snacks and such, because I will be buying a lot of my weekly snacks that I do take to school. If you stayed till the end, hello, drop the unicorn emoji down below. The total I spent this week, I think, is $146.67, just purely on random purchases, none of my actual like bills, like the phone bill or my mortgage, stuff like that, and like yoga membership is not included. So honestly, $146 is not bad at all. I will be filming this next week and it will be so much better, because like 2 of these days I was just down and out with back pain. Like the last thing I wanted to do was be picking up a camera and talking about what I was eating when I was just feeling miserable. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. It's gonna be so much better. I've got good plans.